Isn't that awesome? So iMovie for iPhone. And you'll be able to buy this right on your phone for $4.99, if we approve it. So this is, again, part of this amazing new camera system on the iPhone 4. And we're really proud of it, and I think you're going to like it a lot. Now, before I begin number 6, our guys were running around like crazy backstage, as you might imagine. And we figured out why my demo crashed. Because there are 570 Wi-Fi base stations operating in this room. OK? We can't deal with that. So we have two choices. Either I've got some more demos that are really great that I'd like to show you. So we either turn off all this stuff and see the demos, or we give up and I don't show you the demos. Would you like to see the demos or not? Yeah. OK. So here's the deal. Let's turn up the lights in the hall. Several hundred of these are these MiFi things, too, by the way. So all you bloggers need to turn off your base stations, turn off your Wi-Fi. Every notebook, I'd like them to put them down on the floor. And all of you look around, I'd like you to police each other. If you want to see the demos, shut all your laptops, turn off all these MiFi base stations, and put them on the floor, please. Come on, look around you. I mean, I'm not, you know, I think bloggers have a right to blog, but if we want to see the demos, we're not going to be able to do it unless we turn off all of these MiFi base stations and laptops, set them on the floor. I've got time. You know, this is a testament to how far we've come, isn't it? It's incredible. 570 Wi-Fi base stations in this room. Wow. All right. We done? Yeah, I really appreciate it. I'm sorry to inconvenience you, but if we want to see the demos, this is what we have to do. All right. So, number 6, iPhone OS 4, the most advanced mobile operating system in the world. Now, the first new feature is that we're going to rename it. We're going to take away the phone because it's on iPads and iPod Touches and iPhones. So we're going to rename it iOS 4, or iOS, and this is the 4th version. And we're going to go even further. We're going to give it some metal. So, iOS 4 rolls off the tongue. Now, iOS 4 is our most ambitious release to date. It has over 1,500 new developer APIs. I'm sure most of you have been playing with this. There's some great stuff in there. And we're aware of a lot of great apps being developed that use a lot of these new APIs, and we're thrilled by that. And there's over 100 new user features as well. The biggest being multitasking. Now, you know, some people have said, well, you weren't first with multitasking, and they're right, just like we weren't first with cut, copy, and paste. It took us a little while to figure out how to do it just right. And the same is true of multitasking. If you don't do it right, you're going to burn battery life. And it's nice to see some people agreeing with us. This is a statement that Larry Page made just a few weeks ago. Software running in the background, that just sort of exhausts the battery quickly. Yes, it does. Unless you do it right. And so we've taken a little longer, but we think we've come up with a good architecture for multitasking, along with an awesome user interface that is just the best in the industry for finding your apps and instantly switching between them. We're also using it to control all the audio that you might be playing, as well as the locking the rotation into the portrait position. In addition to that, we've added folders. just got a great folder implementation and a whole bunch of other things that I'm not going to have time to demo today, but I would like to demo these few things for you, if that's OK. All right. So first thing I'm going to do, let's get it big there. There we go. I'm going to launch Pandora and play some Jack Johnson. And I'm going to go launch Mail here. And again, you can see the quality of the text here is just extraordinary with this Retina display. And summertime in Yosemite. Now I'm going to go to a web page and find out if we really did turn off our Wi-Fi devices. Progress. All right. Thank you. All right. And so again, look at the quality of this text and graphics. And I'm going to go ahead and just go back to Mail just by double tapping the home button, seeing all of the apps that are running.